Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your disk. So this is not recorded with a toaster. So yeah, what it is. Marvelous. It's fucking beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. Can't see it. I'm going to show you how to clean Skyrim. First off, you don't want to do this. You don't want to leave it like face up like this, because the lighting in the room, if you see that rainbow, just put it out of the way, like so. Put like this. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. This video is already effed up, so, but I'll show you this. And, alright, should be, this video, alright, but, oh, Bobby, don't say it. Alright, so, here, like so, put karma on it, like this. See? Obviously it's close to the chest. Just rub along your finger and spread it outwards. This is how you do it. Rub it outwards, like so. That. Or like this way. See this centerpiece? And you move up this way, or you can move, and then you move down this way. Like clean with the camera, and you just do the same thing when you put it underwater. So, anyway, this is a terrible video, and I'm just someone that I'm not gonna waste my time. 12 a.m. 12 a.m. You need to stay up. It's not need for a grown boy's bodies. So,